Next question. There are 12 magazines. In how many ways 5 magazines be selected? So whenever it is a selection, it is combinations and you have to select 5 from 12. So it is 12C5, which is 792 ways. Next question. A committee of 12 is to be selected from 10 men and 10 women. So in how many ways the selection can be done if no restriction? So since there is no restriction, so all the 12 could be selected from any 20. So it is 20C 12. Next, there must be 6 men and 6 women. So it is product rule. So that is 10C6 multiplied by 10C6 different ways. Next, there must be even number of women. So women count may be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 10. So it is 10 choose 2 into 10 choose 2 into, that is here. You can observe just a minute. So here there could be 2 and 10, that is 10 choose 2 multiplied by 10 choose 10, or 10 choose 4 into 10 choose 8, or 10 choose 6 into 10 choose 6, or 10 choose 8 into 10 choose 4, and the last is 10 choose 10 into 10 choose 2. So which is summation I varies from 1 to 5. 10 choose 12 minus 2i into 10 choose 2i. So that will be the final answer. Next, there must be more women than men. So if you consider men and women, so here 2 women 10, or 3 9, or 4 8, or 5 7. So here you can observe, so from group of 10 men and 10 women, so these many ways you have to do it. Next, there must be at least 8 men. So at least 8 means it could be 8 or 9 or 10. So 10 choose 8 and the remaining 4 from 10, remaining another group 10, then 9 from 10 and the remaining 3 from the other group 10, plus 10 choose 10 and the remaining 2 from other groups. Next, how many bytes contain exactly 2 ones? So exactly whenever it is 2 ones, that is arranging 2 ones in 8 positions. So it is, just a minute. So here there are 8, 1 byte contains 8 bits. So whenever it is exactly 2 ones, so it means that here you have to fix 2 ones in 8 from 8. So it is 8C2. So why here it is combination here is because you have 8 positions, and these among these position I can place these ones anywhere. So it is 8 choose 2, which is 28. Next, exactly 4 ones, it is 8C4. At least 6 ones is either 6 or 7 or 8. So it is 37. Next, exactly 6 ones is 8C6. Next question, there are 12 players. In how many ways 5 players be selected? When no restriction, it is 12C5, and team which include the weakest and strongest. So weakest one person, strongest one person. So 2 are already selected. Then from the remaining 10, I have to select the remaining 3. So it is 10 choose 3 ways, which is 120 ways. Next, let us see some questions on combinations with repetitions. In how many ways we can distribute 10 identical marbles among 6 distinct containers? So here with no restrictions, here n is equal to 6. That is distinct will always be n, and to distribute how many identical, that is your r value. So r is 10. So the formula is n plus r minus 1, choose r. So substituting that value, you will get 15 choose 10. Next, with no container left empty. So whenever the container left empty has to be excluded, then what we do here is we have to distribute 10 identical. We first give one marble to each of the 6 containers. So we will subtract 6 from 10, so which is 4. The containers are again the same 6, but one we have already put, so we'll be distributing only the remaining 4. So which can be done in 9C4 ways. C4 ways. Next question, find the number of integer solutions of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 equal to 30 with x1 greater than or equal to 2, x2 greater than or equal to 3, x3 greater than or equal to 4, x4 greater than or equal to 2, x5 greater than or equal to 0. So here what is the meaning here is it is nothing but, so I have to distribute 30 some objects into 5 distinct containers. Here if there was no restriction, it is with each container can have empty, but here they said that first box or container should have at least 2, second like 3. So what we do here is we first distribute the required number of, that is minimum, here it is 2, x1 will be first put with 2, then the x2 will be put with 3, and likewise we can first put the minimum and then we can apply the previous formula. So here n will be 5, that is here distinct containers are 5, and x1 is greater than or equal to 2. What we do is we'll subtract, we'll first put 2, so there will subtract 2, then x2 will be greater than or equal to 3, so therefore minus 3, x3 is greater than or equal to 4, so we give first 4, and x4 will be 2, and x5 is 0. So our value will be 30 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2, which is 90. So the answer will be, you can just verify, answer will be n plus r minus 1, choose r. Next is find the number of non-negative integer solutions for this. Here there is no restriction, so it is here n is 5 and r is 8, so n plus r minus 1, choose r, will r n plus r minus 1, choose n minus 1 will be 12, choose 8, or 12 choose 4. The same answer you will get. So thank you.